In the enchanted realm where the distribution of life on Earth weaves a magical tapestry, biogeography emerges as a captivating field. This discipline delves into the mystical forces that govern the spatial patterns of organisms, exploring the interactions between living beings and their environments. Let's explore the mystical elements that define biogeography. Ecosystem conjuring. Biogeography begins with the conjuring of ecosystems. Enchanters in this field explore the magical forces that shape the distribution of ecosystems across the planet, considering the interplay between climate, topography, and the enchanting array of plant and animal life. Biological dispersal spells. The enchantment of biological dispersal becomes a focal point. Enchanters craft spells to understand how living organisms, from plants to animals, disperse across landscapes, exploring the magical forces that influence migration, seed dispersal, and population movements. Island biogeography sorcery. Island biogeography takes on the form of magical sorcery. Enchanters scrutinize the spells that govern the distribution of species on islands, exploring the magical forces that shape the diversity and composition of island ecosystems. Biogeographical regions alchemy. Biogeographical regions become an area of alchemy. Enchanters explore the spells that govern the delineation of regions based on their distinctive flora and fauna, considering the magical forces that create unique biogeographical realms around the world. Climate and biotic interactions conjuring. Climate and biotic interactions take center stage in the realm of conjuring. Enchanters cast spells to understand how climate influences the distribution and behavior of living organisms, exploring the enchanting relationships between species and their environments. Historical biogeography enigma. The enigma of historical biogeography becomes a focus. Enchanters cast spells to unravel the forces that shape the historical movement of species, exploring the magical dimensions of evolutionary processes, continental drift, and past climatic changes. Conservation biogeography incantations. Incantations are woven to explore conservation biogeography. Enchanters in biogeography scrutinize the spells that govern the conservation and protection of biodiversity, considering the magical forces that shape strategies for preserving ecosystems and endangered species. Human impact charms. Human impact becomes a realm of charms. Enchanters explore the spells that govern how human activities influence biogeographical patterns, considering the magical forces that shape the impact of habitat destruction, climate change, and pollution on ecosystems. Biogeography of endemism wizardry. The biogeography of endemism becomes a realm of wizardry. Enchanters in biogeography cast spells to understand how certain species are uniquely adapted to specific regions, exploring the magical forces that create biodiversity hotspots and endemic species. Technology and biogeographical mapping magic. The magic of technology and biogeographical mapping becomes a realm of exploration. Enchanters cast spells to understand how modern technology, including GIS and remote sensing, contributes to mapping and monitoring biogeographical patterns and changes. In the enchanted world of biogeography, enchanters cast spells of biodiversity, interconnectedness, and conservation. By unraveling the magical forces that govern the spatial distribution of life on Earth, they contribute to a deeper appreciation of the enchanting landscapes that sustain the diversity and beauty of our planet.